video is actually very short and so meaningful. Hope you take every word I used here very importantly. These are just the question words in Igbo, just like we have in English. What, where, and how. Hi guys, hi my beautiful igboticnonos. Welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, igboticnono. Hope you're enjoying my videos, and please, if you have any question on what you have learned, please, I would like to see them in the comments section. Also, if you have any video you have in your mind that you want me to do, please, you can also tell me. I'm here to deliver, okay? And please, most importantly, I repeat again, do not forget to subscribe. So guys, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be talking about uses of question words in Igbo. We all know question words in English, that like example, what, how, and where. These are questions words in Igbo. These are questions words in English, right? So now we're going to be talking about questions words in Igbo. Yes, very often we use these question words in Igbo all the time. So if you're here to learn Igbo, this is very, very, very useful for you. Very useful for you. So as we proceed, we're going to start with what and where. In Igbo language, what and where is just basically the same thing. Kedo, kedo. Yes, I'll just give an example now when I make sentences. What in Igbo is kedo. Where in Igbo is, you can also say kedo or kebo or kedo. Yes, so for example now in Igbo language, if you want to say how are you, kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. In Igbo, how are you? In English, then in Igbo you say kedu ka imere. Another example is how is he. Kedu ka o mere. Kedu ka o mere. How is he? Kedu ka o mere. How are they? Kedu ka ha mere. Kedu ka ha mere. Ha is they. Kedu ka o mere. Kedu ka ha mere. How are they? Kedu ka ha mere. How did it happen? Kedu ka o siri me. Kedu ka o siri me. That's how did it happen. Kedu ka o siri me. We often use this word I'm saying here all the time. All the time. Kedu ka o siri me. That is, how did it happen? Like you go to somewhere and maybe you're there, something happened, something good happened. You're like, kedu ka o siri me. How did it happen? Like, just me now. Just me. How did it happen? You know? That's a koro ma akoko. Nye ma akoko. Nye ma akoko. Kedu ka o siri me. Kedu ka o siri me. You know? So we often use it all the time. How much is this? Kedu ego ole obu. Kedu ego ole obu. How much is this? We use this all the time. It will do you good to learn this particular one I'm saying now. Kedu ego ole obu. How much is this? Kedu ego ole obu. That's how much is this. To make it easier, we often don't have time to say kedu ego ole obu. We just say ego ole obu. We just short it like that. Ego ole obu. So if you don't have time to say kedu ego ole obu, you can just say ego ole obu. And basically we understand what you're saying very well as well. And we'll go over to where. Where also in Igbo is kedo. We say kebo, kebo, or kedo. Or most times we say kedo. So how and where in Igbo, they are fighting the same first word, kedo, kedo. But when you use it to make sentence, we basically understand what you're saying. I think every dialect has similar things. We basically understand what you're saying. So now in terms of where, kedu ebe naga. Where are you going to? Kedu ebe naga. Where are you going to? Kedu ebe naga. Where are you going to? It's a question. Then you can reply, Ana m aga ahia. Kedu ebe naga. Where are you going to? Kedu ebe ọ na-eme. Where is it happening? Kedu ebe ọ na-eme. Where is it happening? kedu ebe ọ na-eme, where is it happening? So in Igbo, what and how has the same first letter word, but in the sentence, we understand where you're going to. We know that you're saying how. We know that you're saying where. When you use it to make a sentence. Kedu ebe ọ na-eme, where is it happening? Kedu ebe ọ na-aga, where is he going to? Kedu ebe ị na-aga, where are you going to? Kedu ebe ọ na-arụ, where is he working? Where are you working? Somebody says, kedu ebe ị na-arụ? Say, ana m arụ n'ụlọ ikpe. I'm working in the courthouse. I'm working in the courthouse. Where are you working? I'm working in the courthouse. Kedu ebe ị na-arụ? Ana m arụ na ụlọ ikpe. See. So this words I'm using here is very often, frequently used in asking questions in Igbo. This how, where, and what. We often use them. Please try to repeat, save in your watch letter, and follow accordingly the way I said it. And the last one here is what. What in Igbo is, what did he do? Ogini ka o mere? What did he do? Ogini ka o mere? Maybe you have a child, and before you came to the sitting room, the child has spilled water on the floor, and maybe the junior sister is like, what is it? Why did you do this? And you just came out of the room. You're like, what happened? What did he do? Ogini ka o mere? Ogini ka o mere? What did he do? Ogini ka o mere? What happened to you? Ogini mere gi? What happened to you? Ogini mere gi? Maybe you have this lively friend, and the very day you saw her, after a while, she's so slim, or she looks so sad, or she's just basically different from what you used to know about her. So you're like, Ogini mere gi? What happened to you? Ogini mere gi? What happened to you? Yes, we often use that as well. Ogini mere ha? What happened to them? 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 So guys, this video is actually very short and so meaningful. Hope you take every word I used here very importantly. These are just the question words in Igbo, just like we have in English. What, where, and how. In Igbo is kedu, kedu, and ogini. I've told you that how and where in Igbo use basically the same letter word, but in sentence we know what you are saying. Where, kedu, ebe ọ na-aga. Where are you going? How, kedu ife, kedu ka o mere. How is he doing? So thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you were able to learn something. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video as well. Please, your subscription is my motivation. I can't overemphasize on it. You clicked in because you're interested in this video. Please do me well by clicking on the subscribe button and giving this video a thumbs up as well, because I'm putting out I'm just doing what I have to do, and your subscription matters to me. Okay, thank you, and do have a lovely day. Bye.